welcome to your free trial program of Social Media Booster Kit here, and I'm so delighted and happy that finally you jumped into the Social Media Booster Kit solution. If you're a business owner and you're struggling to get sales and the quality leads via social media, then this is the best business kit solution for you, trust me. So what I am going to deliver in this product, I'll give you the complete 5000 plus done for you. Yes, it's a completely done for you social media branding kits, the branding solutions, the design kits. Also, I'll give you the latest training program on how you can get more sales, more leads. There is a will, there is a way. If you will do your branding well, of course the sales will be into your lane. The audience should get like, hey, who is she or who is he, what the product he is doing. You have to do ultimate branding, the premium, the luxurious branding of your product and your services, or whatever solutions you are offering to your ideal clients or the audiences. Yes, so in this free plan, okay, so now just make sure now you're watching this video, this is your day one. Now this the complete free module, you will be getting access to only 14 days, okay, to the 14 days. After 15th day this will be vanished from your dashboard. So I will recommend you just complete this thing within a time of max 2 days. You will complete. Still I'm giving you the extra time of the 14 days. Okay, you can watch the videos anytime, you can download the templates anytime. But again, yes, in this program, in this free trial, I'm giving access to the limited type of resources, the done for you resources, so that you can test it for your social media. You just make a proper plan for your social media, see how it is helping you. Is it really very helpful resources for you? If yes, then you can go ahead and upgrade your plan. Okay, don't wait for it, because I know I have crafted ultimate and very amazing things inside the paid program. Yes, so in this free program I'm going to offer you, in the first is a download 20 social media captions done for you kit. But now I will recommend, just don't download the things, take immediate action. If you will take immediate action, then you will be getting the immediate results as well. So I will recommend, just please download this template, use the doc file or whatever file. You can take a printout of it as well, and you just make it, create the captions for your social media, and see how easily you can craft things via using my caption kit. Okay, next I will give you the access of the 30 days Instagram story planner. Yes, and it is a very useful thing for you, because it is a best planner ever. I will give you how you can plan your complete social media for the 30 days, not complete social media, how you can plan your Instagram. Because I know the things comes into the mind, hey, today what I shoot, tomorrow what I shoot, what should I deliver, what content should I deliver to my audience. So I know what the jugglery comes into the mind of any business owner if they wanna promote their videos via social media. What kind of videos you will get daily on daily basis? Yes, that is the biggest question. So I have the answer for it. I have crafted the 30 days Instagram planner. You can use it, you can see. I'll give you the amazing idea that you can at least you can inculcate into your social media, either Instagram or YouTube or Facebook. Now you have to use your mind where you have to get it done. Or what best thing, what I can suggest you, if you are someone who is very shy in shooting the videos, or you cannot speak in front of camera, then what you can do, you can use these my ideas, and you can create these videos. You can create the animated videos, you can add the voice overing, you can use the artificial tools to create the videos. Or if you have any team with you, you can tell them to shoot this kind of videos for you. Okay, but I will recommend, if you will do by yourself, just do the practice of it. It's not that much, it's nothing is impossible in this world, everything is possible, but only the thing is consistency will be needed, and that complete energy is required to do it. Okay, after that I'm going to give you the complete Instagram marketing plan. It is the best best thing for you, because this is what I'm offering you for free forever. So it's not for only 30 days you can try. You just download the plan, uh, make a digital copy of it, or take the printouts of it and craft your Instagram marketing plan from start. I know why I'm giving you all these things, the best things in a free, because I personally think that you should grow on social media. If you are watching this video, so it's not like you should buy my this plan, go for it, upgrade for it. If you will like the quality 100%, you will go for it. Okay, so you know why I'm offering this for free, because I really believe that if you have landed on my website, or you have landed on my YouTube channel, or you have landed on this upcoming this free session at least, so I wanna give you some quality things in return, so that you should remember me forever. Hey, Disha was there, someone she helped us in growing our social media and managing our complete social media. That is my ultimately goal is. But of course, if you will buy my upgraded plans, then I will give you the more quality things. So just go for it. And this is the limited time access, only for 14 days it is valid. So just don't waste your time. Take a pen and paper with you and start creating these things and take immediate action. Just don't see and download the things for you. Okay, take actions. Think. You have 14 days of enough time to think, and then if you will like things, then you can, before 14 days as well, you can upgrade the plan and grab my complete 5000 plus social media completely done for you thing. And trust me, it will help you tremendously to grow your brand. And this is the best suited for if you have any of your product business, you are someone who are selling your products online. Okay, this model I have crafted, yes, only for the product business owners. If you are someone who is offering service or the solution business owners, then yes, it will be useful for you, but you have to use your more mind for it. So shortly I will craft that solutions for service based business as well. But this is the kit you will use for your, if you have any products that is what you are selling online, then this is the perfect solution for you. So don't delay and enjoy the free things what I have given you into this amazing kit. And I'm excited to see you inside the upgraded plan as well. Thank you for watching this video.